welcome back to Crankin' Out Crafts this month. We are celebrating graduation and all you graduates for 2018. Today we'll be showing you how to make this banner with the We Are Memories alphabet punch board. To get started, this is our alphabet punch board, and this is a regular size. It does also come in a mini, and at our store we have cleverly put this note on the top that says, "Do not lose book, do not lose book." So that's a great reminder not to lose this book, because this book is the key to all of your alphabets. Very, very important. Does not look good here, but we do it. It works great. We don't lose this book. It's a must-have. Okay, so let's get to punching some letters. So today we're going to spell out congrats, and I've got my alphabet punch board here. And the first thing that you want to do is this wonderful book, again, tells you need to cut all of your paper 3 by 5. So I've already pre-cut 3 by 5. And I've cut the C, so now I'm going to move on to the O. So I'm going to flip in my fabulous book that they provide and follow each step perfectly. So with the letter O, I take my paper and I slide it in here, and then it's telling me to punch. And then great instructions, it's telling me to flip it around and give it another punch. Next, tells me to slide it in this guy. So I push this up, and it has these little stoppers, so I know it's stopped in there. And then it snaps, kind of snaps, but it locks it in. And then I'm going to take the cutter, and it's showing me exactly where to slide. Slide here and cut, and then I'm also going to slide here and cut. This has a little notch, and then the cutter, the notch fits perfectly inside there. And then you just cut it. I say that. Oh, this way. There we go. And then cut. All right, then we lift it up, and that center part falls out. You can start to see the O happening. Now it's telling me to go to the corner, this trim, and this actually rounds your corners. So you'll give it a punch. You can see it rounded that corner. And then flip it over again, punch, flip it over again, punch, and one last time, and it fits perfect, that little corner in there. If it gets too stiff in this area, it means your buildup under here is too high. You just need to remove your gunk. So here we have an O. All right, let's go to another letter, because I wanted to show you how fun and easy this is. Now we're going to do purple, and that'll show up really nice for you. So okay, so again, this is 3 by 5, and we take it, it tells me to go here, give it a punch. And then number 2 step, I'm taking it up here, putting it in, hitting it against those stoppers, pushing down on that, taking my trimmer, putting it in line and doing a cut up to there, taking it to my next side and cutting it. Take this out, and then that comes off. And then the next step that we're going to do, edit, hold on, I'm just going to let her edit that. Let me get a good trim. All right, now that we have this portion cut, we go into the corner and punch and round the other side. And now we have our N. And then I will glue that on here, and you can start to see C-O-N, and we are on our way to congratulations. Okay. Oh.